What's going on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over why and how I got banned from Shopify affiliate. This isn't clickbait or anything. I actually got banned by the affiliate program with Shopify. I did not get banned from Shopify as a whole, as far as making stores and everything like that. I specifically got banned from being able to promote the company in return for a monetary exchange. So if you don't know how an affiliate program works, basically, there's a product or a service out there that you promote with a custom link, and whenever someone signs up on that link, then that company will pay you a specific percentage of whatever it is that you drove to their company in perspective of the sale. So the way that Shopify works, it's different than most. You know, most companies, you get a sign up and they'll pay you 10, 15, 30%, whatever it is. But Shopify pays you 200%. And you're probably like, how does that work? How do they even make money if they're paying you 200%? Basically, the way it works, let's say I get Hayden Bowles to sign up on my specific Shopify referral link, and he signs up for the basic $29 a month plan, and then he goes through his free trial, and then he ends up paying $29. So then what Shopify is going to do is pay me double that. They're going to pay me essentially $60. But the catch is, I'm not getting paid passively. I don't get paid every single month that Hayden pays every single month. I only get paid that first month. So the reason why Shopify offers a 200% commission is because they expect so much more in the long term, because people are going to pay for subscription when they don't really need it and they don't even use it. It's just sitting there, or they're just going to have the store up for a while and they know they're going to make their money back because they're going to upgrade their plan. I don't know every single logistics of it, but I'm sure Shopify has great explanation for why they're able and do pay 200%. Now, I wish I was paid like 15% or 30% or something small every single month that sign up person paid, because I guaranteed I would have made a lot more money than I did. At the best time of my Shopify affiliate income stream, I was making probably a few thousand a month from it, and that was just on autopilot on my YouTube videos. So now let's sort of go through all the emails and stuff, because a lot of stuff happened with my Shopify affiliate program from the start. So let's just go ahead and hop onto my computer and go through each of these variables. So this is the first thing that happened. I signed up for Shopify affiliate. This was October 25th, 2017, and my application got declined. I actually did not get accepted into the Shopify Partners program. And that was about the time that I started my YouTube channel, October 25th, 2017. And then you see right here, a couple months later, Friday, January 19th, I applied again, but in the next year in 2018, and I got approved. This is when my YouTube channel started to get more traction. I was getting subscribers and a lot of views, and I guess Shopify, with the application I sent in, they were happy with it and whatever. So they sent me my link, and you have like a whole dashboard. Now, I don't have access to it anymore. I tried to log in, and it says I have to submit an application or whatever. They just completely wiped off my account, where you can see all the people that have signed up on your thing, how much money you've made, all this kind of stuff that I no longer have access to, which I wish I did. And then, you know, everything's good. I'm making my money, and then again, 3 months later, I got an email from my rep from Shopify affiliate. But as you can see, this was Wednesday, March 28th, 2018. And she said, hey, our team found the use of PPC in your Shopify promotion, which is basically paying per click. Like if I was running some kind of Facebook ads to get signups on my link, or getting fake traffic, I guess they assumed, was something that they said, you have to remove all PPC promotions and it violates the terms for Shopify affiliate. Please let me know when you made those changes. And at the time I saw, I'm like, what do you mean? You know, I just have it in my YouTube videos. So I did. I responded. I said, I do not use PPC marketing for my affiliate link. I have a YouTube channel, and I put it in the description of my videos. And now that's literally all I did. I talked about it here and there, and I'll just keep it as a link in my YouTube video descriptions. And then again, she's like, our reports flag the use of CPC as long as you're sending traffic to your own media through paid traffic. That's okay. You can't just link directly to Shopify, which I didn't really understand. You know, after thinking about it, I was like, all right, I can't run ads and just link to Shopify as far as paid promotions. Now, my stuff is not paid traffic. It was just organic on YouTube. And then this was pretty funny. She said, hey, I noticed your results increased by 959% week over week. Although this is great to see, it's an unusual spike that, in combination with the CPC flag, indicates some program terms of use violation. Can you please tell me more about your promotion methods and show me screenshots and links, whatever? So my affiliate growth was just crazy, tremendously compared to other affiliates, I'm guessing, because a lot of people probably sign up and get accepted and get a few signups here and there. But you know, with my YouTube channel, I was getting tons of signups because my YouTube videos were getting a lot of views and getting a lot of attention. And I had it at the top of my description saying, hey, get your 14-day free trial here, and here's the link with shopify.com/my affiliate sublink. And then I was like, let's just hop on a call. You know, it's my YouTube channel, it's under every YouTube video. And she's like, all right, let's hop on a call. And then we get on the call, whatever. And she's like, all right, you're fine. You're just putting in your YouTube videos. Got to talk to her, build that relationship. I really just want to hop on a phone call because that establishes trust in a relationship with that specific partner more than just emailing back and be like, I don't do PPC. Check it. Here's my YouTube channel, whatever. Going on a call is more direct and makes sense to build that trust. And then something else happened. I don't have the email for it here. I can't find it. But basically what happened was, everything was good. I was making the money with it, whatever. They pay you via PayPal. Then I get an email from my rep and she's like, I just found out you're not 18, so you can't use our affiliate stream. And I was like, no way. This lady's, she's snitching on me. I can't be mad at her. It's just legal with the company and things like that. They can't pay under 18. And I was like, I hopped on another call with her. I'm like, let's try and figure this out. I don't want to lose a couple $1,000 extra a month just because I'm not 18. So we figured something out with their lawyer, whatever. She figured it out with the Shopify attorney. And basically what happened is my dad had to contact Shopify and tell them, look, I know my son is doing this. It's being paid under this company, whatever. And then I got approved and I was able to keep getting paid as I was under 18 years old, which was something that I was happy about because I did not want to lose that income stream for essentially no reason. And then as more time went on, something happened that really, really annoyed me. It was in August of 2018. I got an email from my rep again. She said she wants to know that Shopify affiliates are not permitted to set earning expectations for your viewers. So basically, as far as things like saying, if you want to make $100,000 with Shopify, go here and sign up. That's giving an implied earning expectation, which is something you can't do. It's not legal, which is why a lot of entrepreneurs have gotten in trouble in the past, or internet entrepreneurs, like big people like Grant Cardone and Ty Lopez have gotten in a little bit of trouble with it, just because it's like implied earnings and it's something you can't do. And I've never intended to do that. I've never said, watch my video, you're going to make $1 million. Buy my course, you're going to make $10 million. It's never been like that. I'm telling you guys, it's all trial and error. There's no perfect way to start a business. There's no way to guarantee success. I've always said that. Basically what she did is she emailed me and she sent me this little screenshot here of my YouTube challenge, the 0 to 100K challenge. And I had the Shopify logo in the bottom right, as you can see right there. And, there was no really implied earnings. It was just a challenge series. I was doing live streams showing people what I was doing, and it got a lot of attention, and she didn't like that. And I was pretty offended by that. I was like, really, I brought in thousands of users to your platform, and you come after me for this, where I'm just doing a live stream showing different things that I'm doing. I told her, it's not a big deal. I'll just remove the affiliate link because I don't want to promote a company that doesn't support me when I'm basically just showing their whole platform and promoting them all the time, which was ridiculous. And then we went back and forth a little bit. I'll admit it, I was a little bit hot-headed at the time, and I could have been a little bit more professional about it. But basically, we came to the conclusion that, all right, I'm just going to take Shopify just out of the thumbnail. That was the easiest thing to do, and out of the title. So I took Shopify, just the word Shopify and the logo out of my thumbnail and out of the title, and that was that. And then it happened again. She came back to me, she emailed me, said, hey, we need to talk about this for these implied earnings expectations. But then she sent me to some old videos, like some first ever YouTube videos that I ever made. That had the Shopify logo on the thumbnail or Shopify in the title, whatever. And I was like, geez, they're really going back. This must be a big deal for them. And I talked to her back and forth. We figured it out, whatever, changed some titles, changed some thumbnails. It is what it is. As I said, I had never intended to give implied expectations for earnings or anything like that. But I guess some of it was too close for comfort for Shopify. And then I never thought anything of it. And I haven't really promoted Shopify affiliate forever. I've had it in my YouTube descriptions for pretty much all the time. And then I got an email almost 2 weeks ago, 11 days ago, I got this email. Let's open it up real quick. It says, hi Tanner. This is not even from one of my partners. This is just from affiliates at Shopify.com. Not even any of my partners that I've talked to before. Any of the reps. It says, hi Tanner. Unfortunately, your YouTube channel's wording, an example, millionaire, and imagery, dollar signs, cars, and screenshots of sales violate our Shopify affiliate program guidelines because it implies misleading claims, guaranteeing an earning amount, and promising merchant success. After multiple warnings and emails about this wording and imagery, we have disabled your Shopify affiliate program account permanently. And my response was, I read it and I was like, this is weird. Literally like 10 minutes after I said, LOL. I've never guaranteed, I thought this was my rep, by the way. This is why I emailed her like this. I said, I've never guaranteed results. In fact, the statement I commonly make is that success is never guaranteed, which is 100% true. And I've said each warning sent to me previously was corrected as needed. And I said, I've never associated the wording millionaire with Shopify to try and promote an affiliate link. I'm not looking for acceptance back into the program, but for clarification for those that you may contact in the future who have also made the company 6, maybe even 7 figures through constant promotion over the past year and a half. Have a good one, TP. And I know for a fact fact, I've made Shopify 6 figures and about a 90% chance, probably even 7 figures, just from promotion through my affiliate as well as through my YouTube videos just in general, not even people signing up on my link. It's for a fact. And, losing this income stream wasn't a big deal for me a couple weeks ago, just because it wasn't as much as it used to be because I don't promote it or anything like that. It's not as hot as it once was. But at the same time, it's my car payment gone every single month, which is pretty expensive, plus insurance. So it is what it is, but I don't want other people having the same issue because, all this stuff, I look back at my YouTube channel, I was like, I've never really associated Shopify to try and guarantee results and things like that. Of course, I've used my money with Shopify to go and travel and show the cars and show everything I'm doing and meeting all these people, which I guess Shopify doesn't really like. And then I responded to that and they just said, all right, you have a ticket submitted, here's your ticket number. And I never heard anything back from anybody. I've never intended bad use with the word millionaire and dollar signs and cars and that kind of stuff to promote Shopify. I'll use a screenshot of my sales in a thumbnail because it helps it get views, things like that, and the cars and whatever. It just helps attract more attention, but at the same time, I wasn't doing it to get signups on Shopify. I literally just have it in every description. It's like a template I have for my YouTube description. I have my social medias, the Shopify affiliate link, and a little bit of information about the video. That's just how all my videos were structured in the descriptions. So I guess now it's time to build another company, but instead of becoming an affiliate, what I wanted to do was create my own company. So I'm not here to promote anything yet. It's not ready. It's not available, but you guys will be able to be affiliates for it because I've always wanted to create a subscription-based company and build something up that can build over time, like Shopify. Not in the scale of building websites and stores and all that kind of stuff, but in the sense of paying every month and different plans and stuff like that. So I'm working on a new company with another e-commerce influencer out there, and all that stuff will be launching hopefully within a couple of months. And then you guys will be able to be affiliates for it, which I'm super excited about because I'll be giving great rates as well as for me, I'll be honest here. I've always wanted to do this because I don't want to just be the person getting paid 15% or 30% or whatever. I want to be the person making the majority of the money every single month. The person that actually owns the company. It's something I've always wanted to do, so I'm making it happen now. But anyways, for those of you, any of you guys that have a Shopify affiliate program out there, I guess just be careful with your wording and things like that. It is what it is. The titles and thumbnails, stuff happens. I guess I just got a little bit too annoyed and I will take some blame for it, but at the same time, it sucks. But yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of this video, the story of it. And guys, make sure if you have any questions, I'm trying to get better at this, is answering all of my DMs and getting back and helping all of you guys. So if you have any questions about e-commerce, marketing, whatever, just need help, shoot me a DM on Instagram at Tanner Plains and I'll do my best to get back to you. But make sure you're asking something that makes sense and not something that's just completely random and general. Be selfish and ask me something that can actually help you and get you to where you want to be on that next level. So I appreciate all of you guys for watching this video. This is just a quick story. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.